it's great. You can't just believe it. At one point in time, people did believe that a 5 pound ball will fall half the speed. I guess no, it's actually twice the speed as a 10 pound ball. The 10 pound ball will fall faster because it's heavier. They didn't know. Newton came up with the law of gravity, how gravity stuff works. I think Galileo started rolling a pencil down a book, and he's like, whoa, gravity actually picks up as it goes. And then accounting for wind resistance, accounting for all that kind of stuff, things fall at the same speed. I remember in physics class, because I always had some philosophical doubt. Do things really fall at the same speed? It kind of seems nuts. I've never seen like a feather fall or a piece of paper drop a piece of paper. Oh, because it's wind resistance and all that. Well, I've seen a marble and a feather be in a vacuum container before. A physics professor turned them up, not in a vacuum. Feather did this, marble fell down. Put it in a vacuum, pulled it up, they fell side by side. Blew my mind. I had no more philosophical doubt because they replicated an experiment which came up with data, and that's how they determine what's going on while I was learning about science. So yeah, you need to doubt it. You need to doubt what's going on. Don't just take word for it. Don't read a book and be like, "Oh, that's what the book says, so that's what we do." No, that's why they come out with new editions of the book. You learn more stuff. As you learn more stuff, old information either isn't relevant, it's replaced, it's surpassed, proven wrong, or holds up, just like something like reinforcement. It's not going anywhere anytime soon. Maybe someday someone has philosophical doubt about reinforcement. They do something and they determine, no, that's a sham. This whole thing's been a sham. But the replication on reinforcement is so strong. The experimentation has been so strong. The empirical data cannot be refuted. It's objective. It's been done in so many different ways that we can determine for sure, without a shadow of a doubt, that there is reinforcement. That exists. That process exists. We call that science. Knowing about that is science, and that's in our behavioral sciences.